Hi guys, welcome to Projects with Steve. This is video part 2 of my backyard shed build. This video will cover me building the roof trusses for my shed. Again, this shed is a 10 foot by 16 foot shed. It's going to have a gable roof, and I'm going to place the trusses every 24 inches. So I have 9 trusses to make, and I'm going to be building them using the gusset system, which is basically taking plywood or OSB board and sandwiching the 2x4s together to connect them using that plywood or OSB. There's many ways you can make your trusses for your shed. This is just the way that I decided to use to build mine. It was just kind of the easiest way for me and my skill set and cost-wise to get these roof trusses built. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on any new videos I post for the progress of the shed build. This is how I decided to build my trusses. They're just built out of 2x4s. I did the gusset system, where you basically cut triangles out of plywood and use that as your connection system to bring the tops together. The triangles don't have to be perfect, as it's just, like I said, a connection system. When you put the triangles onto your 2x4s, you want to make sure that you don't stick the plywood past the top of your 2x4, because up here is where your roof sheet is going to be, and so you don't want this. You want the roof sheet to hit the 2x4s and not the actual plywood. I just connected mine with nails because it was simple with my framing gun, and then I just did another 2x4 for support to run horizontally. I have 2 trusses in the back that will be different. Those aren't completed yet. Because those will be on the ends of the shed. I only have a gusset on one side of those trusses because the shed siding will nail up against that truss, and so there will be some more supports on that truss later on to give something to nail to. On my roof I did an 8/12 pitch, and to be able to find this angle, which will be perpendicular to the ground once it's installed, you take your square, you put it on a pivot point, and then on the square there's lots of different numbers, but you want to look at these bottom numbers if you're doing a gable roof system. And since I'm doing an 8/12 pitch, I look for the number 8, which is right here, and then you want to pivot your square until that 8 is level or lines up with the top of the wood. Once you have that, then right here, draw a line, and that ends up being the angle that you need to cut your wood at. On my truss is this angle here, and the angle that is underneath this plywood that's right here. For those two, those angles are the same. So since I'm doing, like I said, an 8/12 pitch, that square will give us the angle for both down here and up there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the progress of my shed build and any other projects that I get into. On the next video, we'll start framing the walls, so stay tuned. I'll see you soon.